This is a 2024 Nissan Sentra SB model. It has a clunky noise. Every time that you turn the steering wheel either left to right, you make a clunky noise coming from this side of the suspension or this area over here. The strut was replaced, the control arm was replaced, everything was checked out, but there is a service bulletin on this car for this side engine mount, which it looks to be the one that is making this clunky noise every time you make a turn either left to right, when you're hitting a bump also. What you gotta do is you gotta either replace this engine mount or add silicone inside this hole right here, all around, also on this side and also on this side. I just added silicone to this engine mount. I drove it to replicate the sound, and 100% it went away. So you gotta make sure to add silicone to this engine mount right in here. You see it right here? Follow for more.